What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SEDUCTIVESOLES coming back at you. Mail call just in. This big ass box. I already speed up the process and opened it. What we have here today is the Nike Adapts. Nike Adapt BB, size 12, 13.5 in women. Again, to speed up the process, already took them out the box and things like that. So it comes in the insert box like the Jordan 11s do. On the side of the box it has 2 dots. It's the insert, the cover, 2 dots on the other side. This is where your handle goes. So put that back. So go ahead and look at these. 2 dots on the side. Turn. 2 dots on the other side. On top, you got Nike Adapt E.A.R.L BB. You got your handle. Now, on both sides, they have like a, not an insert, but say a latch. You have to raise up to open the box. Raise it up. Go ahead and lift this so you can see the shoes. Lift it. Then of course, on the inside of the box has a slot for the left and the right shoe so they can fit perfectly back in there. Put this down. Now both shoes come individually wrapped in the Nike paper. I don't know what they call that paper, but both shoes come wrapped in that paper individually. And just slide it out. Slide both of them out. And here we go. Got the shoe. Gonna go ahead and give you a first-hand look at these. Nike Adapt Pure Platinum. Of course, we got the Nike check on the side, double Nike check with your 3 dots, your 4 dots to match your buttons, which have plastic on them. Mesh knitting. Of course, these are auto lace, so you can't really see the laces, but once you lace them up, you can feel them. Pretty good. Could have went with a better design, but lace-up shoes, new technology, can't complain. Not too rough on the mesh. Again, 2 buttons with plastic on them. In the back, got your Nike checks with plastic on this as well. This is nubuck, very smooth, very smooth. Now they come with a big old box, of course, because it has its own, each shoes auto lace. They have their own charger. So open this up. Has a plastic insert on top to cover it. And then it has a charging pad. It's big. Says Nike. Left, right. Back it says Nike Adapt Charger 1.0. And then under that, of course, I'm pretty sure that's the charging cable for it. Yep. Nike Adapt E.A.R.L BB. This is the charging cable for it. So put this back. I'm gonna put this bottom piece of the box down. What I'm gonna do, and they also come with an app. So what I'm gonna do, this is a Type-C charger. So I'm just gonna use my cell phone charger to see how these work. Go ahead and plug this in. Type-C, excuse my charger, it's been through a lot. Plug that in. Nike charging pad. And I don't, look, it's not even on there. Put it on. And there you go, it lights up. What I was trying to show you, it wasn't even on, and I was far away and it recognized it. So it's charging the shoe. That's the right shoe charging. Left shoe charging as well. I don't know if you can see that. Left shoe charging as well. So let that charge for a little bit. Now these shoes also come with an app for you to change the color of the lights. So let's see if this works. Right here, Nike Adapt. It's going to ask you to sign into your sneakers account, and it says hold to your left shoe to connect. So I'm gonna put this right here, put my phone, let's see if it connects, or maybe the shoes have to be full. It's connecting. There we go. There you go, it's connected. See the lights changing. It says tap to confirm. Tap to confirm, press any button on the left shoe to connect to your device. So I'll press this and they just turn green. Here we go. And it says connect your right shoe. Now I wonder if they disconnect if you put it back on the charger. No, because that light didn't come back on. So I'll put this over here. Place the phone near my right shoe. There you go, it's connected. The lights blink, turn colors. Tap any button on the shoe to confirm. Press the front one, they turn green, that means go. It's blue, connected. Put on your shoes will begin to adjust automatically. Don't worry, they won't get too tight. Well, oh. It's adapting. It just laced up, but it laced up to the shoe tree that was in the shoe. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video on that because I just laced that shoe and I didn't want that to happen. But again, these are the new Nike Adapt BBs. First hand look on the charger charging. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. The bottom of the shoe for the charger.